Hi. Today, we will show you how to register your service's owner-operated company on the TRX app. Open the TRX Service app. Click on Not Registered Yet. Select Owner-Operated icon and hit the arrow button. On the next screen, provide the details carefully. Double-check the email as the owner account will be created with this email. After filling in all the details, click on the Register button and you are done. An email will be sent to your provided email from 𝗧𝗥𝗫 with a verification code. After entering those, you will be asked to verify your email once only. Go to your favorite email client like Gmail or Outlook. Open your email that you use to create your TRX account and check for an email from 𝗧𝗥𝗫. If you couldn't find the email, please wait for 2 to 3 minutes or check the spam folder. Find the verification code. Now, open the TRX app and provide the verification code. On successful verification, you can log in and start being a part of logistics revolution. With this, we are done with registering a service's owner-operated company on the TRX app. Thank you for your time.